Walmart, How a Small Store Quietly Took Over the World. Channel, Real English Journey. Hello everyone, welcome to Real English Journey. On this channel, we learn English through real stories, real businesses, and real life. Today's story is about Walmart, how a small store quietly took over the world, and what we can learn from it. Let me ask you a simple question. When was the last time you walked into Walmart and didn't buy anything? Probably never. You may walk in for one thing, milk, batteries, toilet paper, but you walk out with a bag, sometimes 2 bags, and you don't even feel bad about it. Because everything feels affordable, normal, reasonable. And that is not an accident. But here is the strange part. Walmart was never supposed to win. It didn't start in a big city. It didn't start with rich investors. It didn't start with technology. It started in a small town with one man and one idea that most people thought was stupid. Today, Walmart is not just a store. It is a system, a machine, a global power. And today, I want to tell you the real story of Walmart. Not the marketing story, not the corporate story, the human story. To understand Walmart, we must first understand the world before Walmart. Go back in time. Imagine America in the 1940s and 1950s. If you lived in a big city, you had options. Many stores, many brands, better prices. But if you lived in a small town, life was different. You had 1 or 2 stores, high prices, very limited choice. You paid more for worse products. Why? Because retailers believed something very simple. Small towns don't matter. They believed people there are poor. People there don't spend money. People there are not important. So companies focused on big cities, rich neighborhoods, expensive areas. Small towns were ignored, and millions of people paid the price. But one man saw opportunity where everyone else saw nothing. His name was Sam Walton. Sam Walton was not born rich. He was born in 1918 during a hard time in America. When the Great Depression came, his family struggled. Money was always tight. As a child, Sam worked all the time. He delivered newspapers. He milked cows. He sold magazines door to door. From a very young age, he learned something important. Money is hard to earn. And because money is hard to earn, people respect low prices. They don't want luxury, they want fairness. This lesson stayed with Sam for his entire life. Even when he became wealthy, he lived simply. Old truck, simple house, no luxury lifestyle. Because he never forgot what it feels like to count every dollar. After college and military service, Sam Walton opened his first store. It was a small discount store. And it worked. Customers loved it. Sales grew fast. Sam worked harder than everyone, opening early, closing late, watching every detail. But then something happened, something unfair. The landlord saw how successful Sam was and decided to take the store back. Just like that, Sam lost everything. The store, the business, the location. Most people would quit. Sam did not. Sam moved his family to a small town called Rogers, Arkansas, a town that most people ignored. No big population, no big money. But Sam saw something different. He opened a new store. And this time, he had one rule only. Always keep prices low. Even if profit was small, even if competitors laughed, even if people said it would fail. Sam believed something very simple. If I help people save money, they will come back. This idea became the heart of Walmart. Other stores focused on profit per item. Sam focused on volume. Sell more items, make less profit on each one, win in the long term. This was dangerous thinking, but it worked. Because low prices created something powerful. Trust. People trusted Walmart. They didn't need to compare prices. They didn't need to think. They just went to Walmart. Trust is stronger than advertising, stronger than branding, stronger than trends. Competitors made a big mistake. They focused on design, image, ego. Walmart focused on logistics, speed, systems. Walmart didn't try to look rich. It tried to work efficiently. Competitors underestimated Walmart, and they paid the price. Walmart did not just build stores. It built a system: private trucks, huge warehouses, fast delivery. Before computers were common, Walmart used data. They knew what sold, where it sold, when it sold. They did not react. They predicted. This made Walmart faster and cheaper than everyone else. Today, Walmart is everywhere. Thousands of stores, millions of employees, billions in revenue. But the core idea never changed. Serve regular people. Keep prices low. Do it every day. That is why Walmart survived competition, technology, and time. Walmart teaches us something important. You don't need to be impressive. You need to be useful. Help people. Solve problems. Repeat every day. This lesson works in business, careers, content, life. If you enjoyed this story and you want to improve your English while learning something meaningful, don't forget to subscribe to Real English Journey. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.